Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm very excited about today's video because I'm going to talk about my current obsession. I've just kept it to the least and to the best, which means that the number of products I have is about 6 to 7 to be precise, but these are something that I use every single day and I'm very excited. So let's quickly get started. So let's first move to my favorite, that is the skincare category. And सबसे first जो product है, it is this. I have already spoken about this, but when I actually purchased it, this is by the way by Cosrx, and this is the 6 peptide skin booster. Now I can't even, I cannot even tell you all how beautiful this product is and how much I love this product. If you are someone who really want to get one product for your anti-aging skincare routine, you should absolutely try this one. It is such a stunning product. I love the consistency of it. It is super watery, and uske saath when you apply when you really apply it on your skin, it instantly hydrates your skin. It really makes your skin feel very much better. So, just to sum everything, it's such a beautiful, product. I know it's super expensive. It is for like 2050 if I remember. MRP तो by the way यहाँ पे लिखा नहीं है, but yeah, I think it is for like 2050, but it really helps to, it really helps with the firmness. I mean, the lines that are there on your skin, the texture of the skin, it really makes your skin super smoother. So I really love it. And usually when I do like a skincare routine, I make sure that I'm not applying makeup and I sit like only with my skincare. That's about it. So that it makes sense ki how far I have come on my journey to skincare. So let me just come close up. So this is how my skin looks, without makeup, and I'm really happy the way my journey have turned out from having like acne prone skin, like everything that I eat to my menstruation to like a climatic condition. I used to suffer so much from this acne and breakout, and I don't know how everything just changed. I mean, with the diet change, with the products change, just considering and reading the labels, reading the ingredient, it really helped. Now, this one also says that it evens the skin tone. If you're someone who really wants to like even out your skin tone and want to get like a shade or two lighter, then there are a lot of other products that you can go for. There is vitamin C, you can go for that. But in specific, if you're looking for something for an anti-aging routine, it is great because it claims even skin tone, hydration, firmness, and your skin being smoother, pore and sebum care, and also improves the skin texture. And all of these are a cause of problem when you start aging, which means when you are in your late 20s and when you're in your 30s. So you should definitely get your hands on it. I really don't leave any day. I've been using this for over uh, December, Jan, Feb. So Feb and now March, like 4 months now. And still, I've just used like this. I just take about 2 pumps of it, and it's such stunning. If you want, I can just show it to you. This is my hand, and this is the product. Oh, okay, I've just dropped it, and this is how runny it is, and it's so good. I just take it and just pat it on my face, and it instantly gives my skin that calmness and that coolness. So I really love it. Actually ना waste नहीं करना है product को. I'm just applying it, making the most out of the product, and never forget your neck. Sorry. So yeah, I really love this product. It's stunning, like stunning. Okay, then let's move to another favorite now. we spoke about the Cosrx one. Now I actually pair this one with this beautiful product in there again for an anti-aging routine. You can really include this, and this combo is, what do I say? It's like number one for me. This is by Ordinary, and this is their Argiline solution, and this is actually used, uh, or it actually targets the appearance of the facial lines that is there, for which people go and do Botox. So basically, they say that it is Botox in this bottle right here. So instead of going and injecting yourself with so much of stuff out there, this is something what Ordinary have come up with, and it's such a beautiful product. I've tried it on its own also, but when I pair it with the Cosrx, and I pair it with the Cosrx, it really makes a difference. You can really see the difference. You use it for like straight 3 weeks, and you'll understand how your skin have instantly changed. So I absolutely love these products. Moving on, the last from the skincare category. Now this is for the night care routine. Again, an anti-aging serum, but this is by Indie Wild, and this is their 1% Bakuchi oil, tripeptide complex and squalene, and it has amla and saffron. It really, as soon as you read like amla and saffron, it is just about purifying and giving you that glow, right? So this is something it does. Such a stunner. Now they have also come up with like a new packaging which has like a pump, I believe, but the one that I have is like from the older package, and I've got a lot of product left where it comes like in this spike kind of packing. The only thing about this product is, if I have to think about a con, I think it will not suit extremely oily skin type, because इसका जो consistency है ना, ये already इतना oily है that अगर एक oily skin लगाएगा तो I don't know how much it is going to penetrate. Mine is more to do with combination skin, and also like in winters जब मैंने इसे start किया था use करने, my skin was super dry, so it worked for me then, and now also it works for me. All you have to do is just take like few drops and apply it on your face, and just make sure that you give like a good massage so that it just goes inside and seep inside your skin. Because it is oily, it does take a while to seep in. Like for example, अगर कोई cream आपके skin में समझ लो 30 seconds में चला जाएगा, it this is going to take the double of time, which means a minute. So 1 minute tak you have to give your skin like a good massage and leave it overnight. If you really want to top it with a moisturizer, you can. But I don't top it with anything. I just cleanse my face with a good face cleanser, and then I just top this, and I love this product. I'm not over exaggerating. It's extremely beautiful, but in case you're looking for an anti-aging routine wala thing, then you can get this. And also, Bakuji oil is an alternative to retinol, which means it is more to do with a natural form of retinol. So this will take a while to show results on your face, but it will, because it's been like almost 3 months, and it has definitely like shown results on my face, where I had like so many acne scars. It's just gone, and I'm so surprised. I really thought that retinols are best, but I really want to get my hands on Bakuchi oil, and especially from Indie Wild, because it's an Indian brand. So I really love this. I'm just checking if there's any claims, because I don't have the outer package, but basically this is for like fine lines, to give you that good glow, which and also to fade pigmentation. Basically, retinol and Bakuji oil does that. So if you're someone who really don't want to use retinol, then you can switch to Bakuji oil, which is still safer and more natural. So that's about it. Let's move to another one quickly. So in the hair care category, I just have one product. This is honestly something I love. Truly, I love. When there was so much hype about this product and I got my hands, I thought, let's see, it is going to be hit or a miss. But this product was for about 700, 800, I believe. So I just got my hands on it and I tried it off, and I was shocked because I had so much of hair fall, and this part of my head was actually like, I just thought that my hair is just gonna go off and I'm gonna be bald. But this product, like this product right here, again, this is by Wishcare, and this is their hair growth serum concentrate. It has like tons of, great products in there. It actually claims to reduce hair fall and boost hair growth. Initially, you will definitely find your hair growing, which means you're going to get a lot of baby hair in there. And once you start being super consistent, like when you use it for like good 4 weeks, you are going to see difference in the hair fall too. I was too early to say that, hair fall का कुछ नहीं करता है ये. But when I was super consistent with it, I used for like about 4 weeks to like, I think 6 weeks. It really showed up. My hair fall is so less. Otherwise जब मैं ऐसे खींचता था ना, इतने सारे बाल आते थे. अभी just like 2 strands आए, and I'm super happy. Every time I used to comb, the hair used to just fall, and it made me so upset. But this is a true magic product. So if you're someone who has like super crazy hair fall, or if you've started feeling, or you're feeling boiled from, in any part, you can actually try this out. This is very handy because it comes with a pump. All you have to do is just take it to the place and just spray it overnight, and that's about it. Morning also, when you get up, it is not going to be very sticky until and unless your scalp is नॉट नेचुरली ऑयली. अगर आप बहुत ऑयली है आपका स्कैल्प, तो ये सुबह भी ज़्यादा ऑयली हो जाएगा. बट इन जनरल व्हेन आई यूज़ इट, माइन इज़ लाइक, यू नो ड्राई कॉम्बिनेशन स्कैल्प, क्योंकि 2-3 डेज के बाद इट स्टार्ट्स गेटिंग ऑयली. ऐसे यूजुअली होता नहीं है. एंड आई लाइक क्लीन और शैम्पू माई हेयर लाइक ट्वाइस अ वीक. सो ये बस रात में आपको स्प्रे करना है. जस्ट गिव लाइक अ गुड मसाज फॉर अ मिनट, एंड दैट्स अबाउट इट. और कुछ नहीं करना है. If you have any question regarding this product, you can just pop it in the comments and I'll answer it for you. So let's move to the body care category now. I've got 2 products. Now, this is something I absolutely love and I'm obsessed with. Now, how do I show कि मैंने कितना use किया है, and this smells so good, and this is lavender. This is such a stunning, stunning, stunning product. Can you see? Almost ये tub खत्म होने वाला है. It will take about, I think, few weeks, and then I have to get a new one. So I'm just thinking कि which one should I get, because इतने सारे Dove के scrubs है ना. Now the point with this is, they say when you scrub your body, it is not good at all, because उससे ना और पिगमेंटेशन आ जाते हैं और आपका स्किन बहुत ड्राई फील होता है. एंड दैट इज द रीजन आई वॉज नेवर अ फैन ऑफ exfoliate chill or exfoliator or all of those. But there was so much hype about this product कि मैंने बोला यार चलो try करते हैं. And I tried. It has such tiny particles, इतने छोटे छोटे beads है, that once you apply it instantly, like you wash it off and your skin feels so much smoother, so much hydrated, so much softer, like baby like skin. I was stunned. I mean, oh my god, I was like, what? Is so soft. So I was like sold, man. It was like so damn good. So I really, really love this product. In case you have used this product कोई भी वेरिएंट में, क्योंकि मुझे कुछ अलग स्विच करना है. सो आई एम वेरी कंफ्यूज अबाउट मैंगो, राइस वाटर इज लाइक थोड़ा सा अट्रैक्टिंग बिकॉज इट्स कोरियन स्किन केयर. And there's so many others. There's also coconut, which is also very, very interesting. So I'm very confused कि क्या लेना है. So if you've used like Dove का, this product right here, the exfoliating body polish, मुझे बताओ मैंने कौन सा लेना चाहिए next in the comments, because I don't know which one to pick next. This is great. Okay, so let's move to the last product that I have, and it is obviously, वीडियो में अगर सनस्क्रीन के बारे में बात नहीं किया तो वीडियो कंप्लीट कैसे होगा. I have sunscreen by Wishcare, and this is something it looks like. And this is their sunscreen body lotion. It has broad spectrum, it has UVA and UVB protection. सनस्क्रीन में SPF होता है, बट यू ऑलवेज हैव टू चेक PA के बाद कितने प्लसेस होते हैं. द मोर नंबर ऑफ प्लसेस, द मोर प्रोटेक्शन यू आर गोना गेट. This has like 3 pluses, fair enough. It's body lotion. I love this product. It's super good. It keeps, in जनरल कैसे बोले, अगर आपको टैनिंग है, अभी समर्स है, तो यू आर गोइंग टू टेंड टू गेट टैंड. और ये ऐसा नहीं होता है आपने सनस्क्रीन लगा दिया तो आप टैन नहीं होंगे. सनस्क्रीन का बहुत बेसिक रूल है दैट यू हैव टू रीअप्लाई आफ्टर 2 to 3 hours. इट इज़ मस्ट बिकॉज इट इज़ जस्ट गोइंग टू गो अवे. सो इट इज़ एक्सट्रीमली इम्पॉर्टेंट प्रोटेक्शन के लिए. इफ इवन इफ यू, it's basically like you're saving or protecting your body color 80% अगर आप सनस्क्रीन लगा देते हो. बाकी का तो जो होना है वही होएगा. बट it is exactly like बारिश हो रहा है, you're carrying an umbrella. If you don't have an umbrella, you're just going to be drenched. So it's exactly like that. So sunscreen is extremely important. Let me just show you the texture. I think after a long time I'm doing like, इसे बोलते एकदम chill वाला video. There's no script. I just wanted to just come and speak. So I'm feeling acha actually, So this is something it looks like. It has like gel kind of a consistency, but टाइम तो लगेगा भाई इसको ब्लेंड करने के लिए. तो लेट्स ब्लेंड इट एंड सी कि कितना टाइम लग रहा है. आई बी लाइक वेरी वेरी क्विक. लेट्स सी अगर हो गया है या नहीं. Yeah, I think it's done. You see, now let me show you the hand which doesn't have sunscreen. I don't know. Can you see the like difference there? It's stunning. It really feels like calmer. It really feels cooling, and it smells amazing. It has turmeric. It has something in it. It really smells good. That's the reason I am. Usually मैंने इसका कभी स्मेल नहीं किया है, बट इट हैज़ लाइक सेरामाइड्स, नायासिनामाइड, कैरेट सीड एंड रास्पबेरी. टर्मरिक नहीं आ रहा मुझे. टर्मरिक आ रहा है. There is some smell. It's a good scent basically. So I really like it. It is lighter. Usually जो body sunscreens होते हैं ना, वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा thick होते हैं. So I really don't like them. But again, there was hype about these products. So I was like, let's get it, and it turned out to be super super good. So कभी कभी viral products पे भरोसा भी कर लेना चाहिए when people talk about it. So I got it. It's it's a great product. I love it, and this is for about 499 rupees. Discount पे तो मिल ही जाएगा नाइका या टीरा पे या Amazon पे. So this is something that I absolutely love. So these are some products that I use like every single day. एक भी दिन नहीं होता जहाँ पे I don't or I skip these products. I use it like every single day. Let me just confirm. Yes, I use this every single day. Only the Dove one right here I use like twice a week. That's about it. Apart from that, baki sub products I use like every single day, and these are like my favorites. If there is any of your favorites, then put it in the comment section, and I would love to hear about them, and I would love to get my hands on it. I really hope that you like this video. I really wanted to keep this video super candid and very very raw, no scripting. नहीं तो है ना बहुत ज़्यादा too much ingredients हम लोग देखते हैं. I know for the fact that these are like great products. It has worked for me. Again, like I always say, do patch test, see what works for you, what doesn't work for you, and everything is going to be great. And yes, with that, let's end today's video. And I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Love, love.